In this video, I am going to show you how to rename yourself on Zoom. This is very important in our class because that is how I take attendance. I keep record of the names on the Zoom screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename yourself on a computer and a laptop. 1. Click on your picture, face. 2. Find the two blue boxes in the top right corner. 3. Click on the right box with the 3 dots. 4. Find the small black box that appears. 5. Click on Rename. 6. Click on your name in the white box. 7. Type your new name in the white box. 8. Click OK. 9. Check your new name. You're finished. Good luck.